Hi, sir. I'm Adil. Sir, I came to here to take some guidance from your side, like some opinion. Like I am trying to start a business. Like my priority is a t-shirt. Like I want to sell my t-shirt on online. Like when I refer to my so many friends, they give me some guidance, but I, I want to take some guidance. I'm from advice from a person like expert person from Lego. So first of all, my doubt is like when I go through many YouTube search, like Google search, I found that marketing is a tough thing. So I want to promote my brand as a online brand that is very affordable to everyone. So I'm very frustrated to this side. Like I am not that much aware about how to start my brand. So is it possible to start a person like me to start my own brand, or I need to hire someone like giving payment to start my brand?
No, I see. First thing, as a young entrepreneur, one thing that you must preserve is your cash
Okay.
because that's what you don't have, right? So don't think about hiring someone, spending money on the brand. You should think of building the brand yourself. And you can do that. I've been in this business of building brands for myself and for others. It is possible. And the key thing is to look at not spending money to build brand, but figuring out what is it that you have in relation to the t-shirt needs of the people. People want t-shirts, right? And you want to
Yeah.
sell t-shirts. So what is the things that you have that you can give to people that people will love and like? And then you keep giving them in such a way that it doesn't burn a hole in your pocket.
Okay, sir. So I have another doubt. Actually, I want to say like I don't have that much money with me. So when I go to some Google search, I found that some brands are techniques like using celebrities like brand endorsement. So what are the techniques like small techniques I can use with my a small amount of money in my for my small scale business?
Right. So what do you want to see? Your money would be limited, right?
Yeah,
Now, if you want to go for brand endorsement, you'll have to spend a lot because
yeah.
you will have to go to people who are known to everyone, right?
Mm.
And these people don't come cheap. They want a lot of money. They are hungry for money. They are
Yeah.
merciless. And they would tell you, Adil, please give me money first. Then I will see what I can do. And they will not do anything and you can't do anything. Indian law system is such poor. People will promise and they will not deliver. So my
Okay.
advice is don't go into endorsements. What you need to do is first, obviously, research with customers. Like, what are the missing needs people have? What is it that they're not getting from the current market about t-shirts? And
Okay.
this will be the difficult part. So understand, research, find out something unique, something that they are missing.
Okay.
And you will have to go to different age of people. What is young children not getting? What are the adults not getting? What are the old people not getting? People may not be paying attention to old people like me. So you go to them and talk to them, hey sir, I want to launch t-shirts for you. What kind of t-shirts you love, what you don't like find in the market easily. And you figure out such missing needs. And then
Okay.
you out of those various missing needs, you create a product, you create a concept that they will love. Test it. And
Okay.
once you have something to give to people, they will come to you.
Okay, sir. Sometime, like if I go for research, if I get some data and if I get a insight from the customers itself or from the public, maybe someday it will be go wrong, sir. So how can we analyze that it is a correct research or it is a correct decision that I taken?
Good question. Very good question, Adil. See, first thing you need to assume in business and be ready is that things will go wrong. As you said right at the beginning, marketing is not easy.
Hmm.
Why is marketing not easy, especially branded marketing? Because there are 10 to 15 different things that affect the sale of a product. Your quality of product, right? The colors you will use in your t-shirt, the design,
Okay.
the prints you will use, right? The name of your t-shirt, right? What will you offer to them? Where will you promote it? How will you promote it? How will you distribute it? What price will you offer? So there are so many things. So things will go wrong. Now, what you need to do is you need to Do as much research as possible to eliminate things that can make failure happen, right? So go
Okay.
step by step. There's a whole step by step process. If you're interested, you can come and I'll show you a course that you can learn for not more than 400-500 rupees. And you will learn step by step process to building your business. You start with understanding customer, then developing what is called a concept, a USP for your product. And you not only develop one USP, you develop three, four, five, six, as many ideas come to you. And you test. One of
Okay.
them will become successful. And once you test the idea, then you have something to start. So the key thing is in developing alternatives, many alternatives to the concept, to the product, and then testing at different times. And this takes time. But
Okay, sir.
this will not take money, it will save you money. So
Okay.
invest in testing, doing more things, learning from your mistakes, and then you start spending money.
Oh, okay, sir. So then, like, in what time the correct brand strategies have to work? Like before the production or after production? Like, I'm totally doubt about it.
So, no, tell me your question again. I need to understand this
Okay,
better.
sir. And like, we use market dictionary before and after the production of the our goods. So,
Right.
what about the brand strategy? Like, we are to apply before or after the production
See,
of our goods.
so marketing has to happen only after you produce your goods, right? What will you
Yeah.
do? So there's no point spending anything on marketing beforehand. The way you should do is once you have your product idea ready, what kind of t-shirt, what sizes, what colors, what is your slogan, what is your offering, right? What for whom are you going to produce it? And you find that they like it, then you go to back to them and say, hey sir, this is the t-shirt, we talked about it. Supposing you come to me and say, sir, I'm thinking of producing a t-shirt, I give you some idea, you produce a sample, you give it to me and say, hey sir, this is what I produced, so please use it and tell me how much do you like it. Then I
Okay.
will tell you more feedback on that. You will learn from there, you will improve your product. I will tell you a few things, yeah, this colors is fine, but can you produce in this colors? So you keep improving your product. And then when you have your product that your customer likes, then you go back and say, hey, sir, now how can I market this? Who should I market this? How can I reach to people like you? So ultimate thing is instead of going to any consultants or influencers or anyone, you customer is your best bet. Go back
Okay.
to customers, find out how can you address them, how can you reach them, what can you tell them, and also research about the pricing. Sir, this is what I've produced for you, sir. How much would you be willing to pay? Don't be greedy in the beginning in terms of earning a lot of money. It will take you a few years before you build a brand, and you must be ready in those few years not to make any money. You will incur losses. So, whole idea would be in those 2 years is to spend minimum, and so that your losses are manageable and you build a brand, people start trusting you, people start liking your product, and then once they start liking, they will recommend their friends. Hey, I will recommend to someone and say, hey, this product from this guy called Aditya, he has this nice product, why did you also take a look at that? So that's how you can do the things there.
Oh, so got it. So then, if I start my promotion activities, like it is everything going in a smooth manner, then what's the next interval time to start again? Like every company has putting the advertisement on an interval time. So what's the right interval time to start the advertisement again?
Again, I don't have these questions. You will have to go back and ask your customers again.
Okay.
Whenever in doubt, do research with your customers. Go and
Okay.
talk to them. Hey, sir, we have started advertising. Now we are putting this as you suggested. What frequently would you like to see this ad, sir?
Okay.
He or she will tell you. And that is the best answer.
Okay.
So, because no one knows customers better than themselves. No, we don't know customers, right? They
Okay.
know what their needs are. So what we need to keep understanding is their preferences. Preferences in terms of product attributes,
Okay.
preferences in terms of pricing, where should we distribute product, how should we advertise, how frequently should we advertise, what should we advertise. And they might come and tell you, hey, Adil, don't spend money on advertising. So do this instead of this. Why don't you give more samples free? And they will give you lots of ideas. And that will build your brand faster, which will resonate with your customers. See, whole brand is about developing a product, branding it, putting attributes, packaging the benefits there, and sending it to your customers in a manner that they love it and they resonate with it. It kind of says, yeah, this is me, this is for me. And once you do that, the brand will take off, but it'll take time. Minimum 2 years. Minimum two
Okay.
years.
Then I have so many questions with me, like uh, on your personal opinion, to what the correct prices. Like I am focused about the students, like students and the traveling person. In my mind, I have the USP like to make a T-shirt for traveling purpose. Like Wrangler have traveling is like something similar to I have. My mind is to make a T-shirt like for traveling and also for college students. That's my target market. So what your opinion about that? Is the right to take only one target person or go for another?
Go for more. So you don't know. This is what you think is right, right? Most of the time, what we think right will be wrong.
Yeah.
And this is only one option. So
Yeah.
what you need to say, okay, my favorite option is go traveling t-shirt for students. But what are the other type of people? Can I go and talk to them and also know what do they want? And develop such 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as many options as possible in addition to the traveling t-shirt for students,
Okay.
right? And once you have that, then you test it,
Okay.
develop concept, develop idea, talk to them, invest time. See, what you have is time that doesn't cost anything. It doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, right? So spend your time in researching, talking to customers, understanding their needs, understanding their preferences on branding, colors, the way to communicate, what not to communicate with each of these. And then out of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 options, do research which one resonates best with your customer and pick that one. And
So,
then,
how
yeah,
can we monitor the result? Like, after applying all this strategy, how can we monitor in a quantity or quality form if it's working
how can we monitor
our results?
results? Okay, so see, results are very simple to monitor. That's the easy part of marketing. See, what you want is you have to define with this launch, what do I want? I want more customers. You want satisfied customers. You may also want customers that will recommend your product to others. So,
Mm.
right. So you monitor number of customers, revenue, the price you are getting, the satisfaction with customers, or their willingness to recommend, and finally profit. Profit will come if you have
Okay.
satisfied base of customers buying repeatedly from you, recommending to others. Your cost of marketing and cost of business will be much lower, and that is the way to make business.
Okay. So, I have another doubt. I implement all these strategies that I feel very best, but it's not working. So, what I have to do? Change the strategy or again implement it?
Okay, this is a good question again, Adil. So
Okay.
again, there is no straight answers. So you have to see each situation. So you have launched one product, let's say this T-shirt for students, right? And it is
Yeah.
not producing results. Go back to customers again, take feedback, and they will tell you, yeah, this is nice, but this is not fine. This is nice, but this is not fine. Then you know what to change.
Okay, sir.
And then you get an idea if everything is fine, right? Then you just need to wait. So it's constantly taking customer feedback, interacting with it, adapting your product. And that's what marketing is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, very thankful to spending time with me. Like I think I can be successful in my business. Also, I can be a good entrepreneur in future. Thank you for feedback and guidance, sir. Thank you very much.
Absolutely, Adil. And not only you, but if people follow, if young entrepreneurs like you come up and follow this advice, the success will come, but it doesn't come straight immediately. It takes time. It requires a lot of hard work. It
Yes, sir.
requires at least 2 years to become successful.
Yeah.
So start with that. Keep remembering that customer is king. Understand customer needs, adapt, develop, formulate everything with relation to customer.
Okay, sir.
And then keep implementing that sincerely with all honesty, sincerity. Customers are like your mother, my mother, father, your mother, father, and daughter. They are smart people. If we try them deceiving somewhere, they will quickly pick it up. So we need to
Right.
be honest. And that's what all about building brand, right?
Okay, sir.
All right. So all the best, Adil, and look
Thank you,
forward
sir.
to
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
keep in touch for any help you need any point of time
Sure.
and stay connected.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.